Here's homework help for number 29 and 31. So we want to rewrite the function in the form 1 plus r or 1 minus r. Then we want to state whether it's a growth or decay. So number 29, so remember with growth, we know that the b value is greater than 1. And then for decay, that is when the b is between 0 and 1, right? And the b value is the number that's inside here. So in this case, for letter number 29, we know that is a growth function. So in order to do this problem, you do y equals a, and then you do 2 that you separate it 1/3, and then raised to the t. So then you evaluate that, so you find that when you plug it in, you would get 1.2599 raised to the t. Okay, so you evaluate this with the calculator again. That's 2 raised to the 1, parentheses, 1 divided by 3, close parentheses, right? So 2 exponent, open parentheses, 1 divided by 3, close parentheses, and that's how you get the 1.2599. Again, rounding to 4 decimal places here. Then this 1.2599, that equals this here, the 1 plus r. So 1.2599 equals 1 plus r. Subtract 1 here. And then so you get 0.2599. So I hope you see that the just value, the 1 just drops there. And then you multiply by 100 in order to get the rate. Or move the decimal places right 2 times. So this is 25.99% is our growth rate. And then number 31, that's going to be, let's see, so this is 29. Let's look at 31 here. So we do the same thing. Y equals a, and then we want to separate that 0.5, raise that to the 1/12, right? 1/12, and then raise to the t. Then you plug that into your calculator. So 0.5 raised to the 1/12 in your calculator. And so you will get 0.9439 raised to the t. Okay, so you evaluate first with the calculator and you get that. Now we know this is decay, so we're going to set the 0.9439 equal to the 1 minus r. You should have it already in your calculator, so all you do is subtract 1, and then you'll get a negative value, which is okay. So you will get negative 0.056 equals negative r. But note if you divide by negative, you get a positive r of 0.056. Then you multiply by 100, or move the decimal place right 2 times. So you find that the decay, the rate of decay is 5.6%. Now let's look at number 41 and 43. So use the given information to find the amount A in the account earning compound interest after 6 years when the principal is $35,000. So first of all, principal is $3,500, I apologize. And then T is 6 years. And then N varies depending on how much it's compounded. Now, when it says it's compounded, this is the time that you use the A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the N times T. So whenever you see the word compounded, this is when you're using it. When you don't see it, it just says the rate per year, and the rate per year means that the N is 1. So in this case, this is not 1. It's compounded more than once a year. So it's compounded quarterly in a year. Quarterly means 4. So N is 4. Monthly, so monthly in a year, that would be 12. Compounded daily, that is 365. And then monthly is the same. So I'm only going to do 41 and 43. So let's do 41. So R is 2.16, so we're going to move the decimal place over twice. So our rate is 0.0216. So let's plug this in. A equals the principal, right? P is 3,500 times 1 plus the rate. Our rate was 0.0216 over N. N is 4 raised to the N times T. So N is 4. And the time is 6. So that's how you plug it in, and then you just plug it into your calculator. Now you type in 3,500, open parentheses, 1 plus another parentheses, 0.0216, divided by 4, close parentheses, and then you close the parentheses again. Then you do the exponent for parentheses. So exponent parentheses 4 times 6 close parentheses. Okay, so just remember how to plug that in the calculator. When you get it, you should not get a number that's way too large, right? So you should never have double this amount here. It'll be pretty close. It'll be higher, and it should be close to it. So when you plug this into your calculator, you should get $3,982.92. So number 43. So we notice that the rate will be 1.83%, or you move the decimal place over twice. So therefore the rate is 0.0183. And then the principal is the same. The time is 6 years, and n is 365. So A equals 3,500 times 1 plus 0.0183 raised over n, which is 365, raised to the 365 times 6. And then when you plug it into your calculator, you should get $3,906.18. So still close, right? $3,906.18. And I hope this helps you out.